Dyson Compact Animal Upright Vacuum Cleaner. DC50 Animal is Dyson's lightest upright vacuum. It weighs just 11.6 pounds but performs like a full-size upright. The technology inside has not simply been shrunk, but concentrated with every angle and dimension re-engineered. The features of Dyson Compact Animal Upright Vacuum Cleaner. 5-year parts and labor warranty when purchased from an authorized reseller. Most advanced cleaner head technology from Dyson, engineered for increased dirt pickup across all floors. 2-tier radial cyclones capture more microscopic particle, no bag, no loss of suction. Latest ball technology, turns on the spot and steers more easily into difficult spaces. Ultra lightweight and durable, weighs just 11.6 pounds.